Hello, today we are going to study import procedure, which is chapter number 11, International Business in Class BST. So, today we are going to study import procedure. I'll tell you all the points in a story. You just remember the story and you will write all the points very clearly. So it's shorter than the export procedure. I'll tell you a story, I'll explain you in a story, and then you will be able to write it very smoothly and fluently without any break. So first point is trade inquiry. So story time, how you will remember it. So you want to get an imported luxury car. Let's say imported luxury car you want to get. So you are looking here and there. If anyone has a car, you said okay, he has a car. Done. Car, you now saw the car. Now for a car you need a license. You need a license to drive it. So second point is this: obtaining a license for the car. Okay, then now license. So for imported car, foreign car, you need foreign currency. So now you will obtain foreign currency. Foreign currency done. Then for now, what's the story? You decided to get a car. You said okay, I'll buy a car. You inquired everywhere where you can get an imported foreign car. You said okay. Now you thought, I'll buy a car. What things I need? So first thing is you need a license. Okay, you got the license. Second is, for foreign car you need foreign currency. You got the foreign currency. Okay, then you got the foreign currency. Then third point is foreign currency you got. Now you got the foreign currency. So you said okay, I got the foreign currency, I got the license, I'll buy the car. So you placed an order for the car. Say yes, I can buy it and I have the license too, I'll drive it. So you placed an order. Okay, you placed order. Then the seller of the car said, you want to buy a car, do you have money? You said, you thought yes, you have the money, but the seller needs proof that you can pay him if he sells a car to you. He asked for a letter of credit. So now you have to obtain a letter of credit. You went to your bank and said, please give me a letter of credit, please prepare a letter of credit for me. Okay, prepared a letter of credit for you. Your bank prepared a letter of credit for you. Now you thought letter of credit is there, so you have to now arrange finance for the car so that you can buy it. Okay, you arrange the car for buying it. So now what happened is, you arrange the money. Now you went to the seller and the seller showed you a receipt. Receipt showing this thing cost this, total is this much money you have to pay. Receipt. I am telling you a story, and if you will remember this story, you can just learn all the points. You got the receipt. Okay, so receipt, you got the receipt, like this is the bill. Okay, so now you got the bill. Now you have to give money so that he will give you the car. So retirement of all the documents for the same. You give the check and he gives you the car papers. So you gave the check, he gave you the car papers. Okay, car papers, you got the car papers. So now your imported foreign car would arrive to you from the showroom. Okay, now arrival of goods, it's the ninth point, arrival of goods. So it's very clear how the story works. So okay, your car came to you, but you can't drive it now, as you need clearance, custom clearance. Or in the story we can say the car arrived but you can't drive it. You have to get it verified by the pandit ji. He'll just make a swastik on it and it will be custom cleared. Isn't it funny? Okay, it's the way you will learn and it's very funny too. So your car arrived and now you need clearance of the panditji. He will draw a swastik and then you give him some money for clearance. Okay, you got the clearance. Now the panditji said, go drive, I gave you the clearance, you drive now. You said yes. So this was the story, which is very funny and you can remember it very easily. So I hope this helped you. So thank you. Hope you like the video and subscribe. It's free. Thank you and peace.